Welcome to the spectacular world of Thousand Vlogs. Big C Supercenter is a well-known retail chain in Thailand, including locations in Bangkok. Big C Supercenter is one of the largest retail chains in Bangkok, offering a wide range of products, including groceries, electronics, clothing, household items, and more. It's a one-stop shop for many consumers in the city. Big C Supercenters are spread throughout Bangkok, while the most central and famous one is probably Big C Ratchadamri. You can find multiple branches in different areas of Bangkok, making it accessible to residents and visitors alike. Big C Supercenter stocks diverse products, including fresh produce, packaged foods, clothing, electronics, home appliances, toys, and more. Many stores also have dedicated sections for international products and brands. Services. Besides shopping, Big C Supercenter often provides additional services like banking facilities, pharmacies, food courts, and, in some cases, entertainment zones. Some stores also offer delivery services. Promotions and discounts. Big C Supercenter frequently runs promotions and discounts, including weekly or monthly sales, loyalty programs, and special product deals. It's a popular destination for shoppers looking for bargains. Operating hours. Operating hours vary by location and weekday, usually from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Still, Big C Supercenters are generally open 7 days a week and tend to have extended hours compared to smaller convenience stores. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Big C Ratchadamri Supercenter is a large supermarket. located on the opposite side of the street from the famous Central World shopping mall near Ratchadamri intersection. There's an overcrossing connecting both sides of the street, so reaching Big C from Central World is really convenient. Big C Ratchadamri is more like a shopping mall, especially after the recent renovation. Here you will find not only the Big C supermarket, but also plenty of restaurants, shops, banks, and other services. A branch of Superstore can also be found in the building. Big C Ratchadamri is one of the best places to get various Thai snacks for bringing home from Thailand, as the variety of goods on sale here is wider than in an ordinary Big C, and the selection is adjusted to the needs of tourists. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.